Hi Panthers, it's Mrs. Grills. I wanted to talk about how do you find the assignment for this week's absolute value in week 3. I'm going to start by going to the modules over here on the left. That will take me to the list of assignments and tasks for week 3. You'll notice normally in most of our weeks we've had this rocket ship next to our assignment, which has been a quiz. But this week in week 3 for 3.06, the absolute value, you will notice that you see a piece of paper and a pencil. That is an assignment. You may have seen this in some of your other courses. If you click here from the modules, it's going to take you to this page where you submit the assignment. You may have seen this in other classes, but first you need to know what the assignment is. So I'm going to go back to the week 3 modules page, and I'm going to click on the lesson because the directions for the assignment can be found in the lesson. In the lesson, the assignment is on the final page. So I'm going to go up here to the page numbers and just click this arrow. And I'm going to go all the way to page 8. I've already done the lesson, let's assume. And here it explains your assignment. We would like you to choose option 1. And if you will notice, pretty much everything in your platform that is this red or maroon color for math is a clickable link. So if you click on project option 1, that will bring up the information and directions for this assignment. It's 2 pages. You can scroll to the bottom and you can click save to save it to your device or print to print it out. If for some reason it doesn't pop up right onto your screen, it's probably because it automatically downloaded to your device based on a setting that you have going there. This assignment does have 2 parts. If I scroll back to the top, a lot of you, for some reason, were missing the information. The information needed for making the number line and doing the weather forecast is these temperatures and images at the top. So you're going to use these temperatures and images to work through part 1. Part 1 asks you to do a number line, then to answer questions 2 through 6. Then part 2 asks you to use those same numbers for the temperatures and the weather images to make a weather forecast. You can submit this in any way that you like. You are welcome to do this on paper, print it out, write it all down. You can type it up. You can draw your number line by hand. You can make a video. You can make an audio recording. Just be sure that you address all the information in part 1 and part 2, because if you look down at the very bottom of this page, you will see the rubric that we will be using to grade your assignment. Okay? When you have finished that, you will go to you can go back to the modules, or you can click next at the bottom of that page to submit. You may have to go work on that for a while, and here you will submit your assignment. Just like you have in other courses, you can upload the file. So click choose file. It'll bring up all the different documents on your device. You can upload it that way. I would highly suggest that you do not use text entry. This is where you can actually type your answer, but the problem is that if for some reason your computer were to shut down, you will lose all that information. The other thing that I would suggest you not do is this record or upload media. It's cool to do a video or voice recording, but again, this system doesn't save it to your device. So I would suggest that you maybe record it on your phone and then upload the file through the file upload. The other thing that you might be able to do is through Office 365. You all have an account for that. So let's, for example, say that you type it into Word or PowerPoint on Office 365. You can attach it there, then click Submit Assignment. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the discussion board. Have fun making your weather forecast.